Assalamu alaikum dear engineers. Let me show you the foundation. First, before foundation we should have to do the lean concrete. So for lean concrete, first the surveyor gives us layout, and after layout we start applying the plywood. So before plywood we have make this kind of wood to the before applying the plywood, and in this we will do our lean concrete for these footings. Then after the lean concrete is done, then we will start with our foundations. So this is the formwork for the lean concrete. You can check it out. It's about 7 mm is our lean concrete, sorry, 7 centimeter, 7 cm. This is our lean concrete. So this is our project site. Here the lean concrete will be done, and I want to show you a lean concrete is done on our site. So let me show you the next one. Lean concrete already done at our site is this one. It also is applied the bitumen paint. So let me show you also the lean concrete. So when the lean concrete is done, it looks like this. You can check out here the lean concrete is done, which is 7 centimeter. And after this lean concrete is done, the surveyor gives us point. You can check out here the formwork of the foundation will be done. Here the strap beam will go like this to the other footings. Here the other ply we will fix. These are the different points given to us. This is, check out this one, and here you can check here a center point is marked. So the ply will start from here. You can check out this. Here the ply face will come, and according to this we will build our formwork, and then we'll after the formwork we'll start our rebar, our reinforcement, our steel detailings. So I'll show you it step by step. So if you have some knowledge in this video, please do like our video and stay tuned to our website, to our channel for upcoming videos in step by step construction. Thank you.